Hey, all my hot rod brothers and sisters! Finally, I can make a video. Lots has been going on. So anyway, up first we have the Hot Wheels Hyper Rocker. Look at this bad boy. This thing is awesome. It's kind of like this blue and red is kind of like Spider-Man. That's pretty neat. So yeah, as you can see, there's no tempos here on the side, but okay, and then we have three big headlights right there, which means this is probably a desert racer. But look at this, guys. Oh man, is that cool or what? The way they did that hyper rocker logos on there, that is awesome. That tempo work is sweet looking. It's really cool. And then I'm really digging that bluish metallic up there. That's pretty neat looking. Which is all throughout the striping too, if you can see closely, right there. And then we have the number 5 with that bluish gray type paint around it as well. So Hot Wheels did a very nice job with this. This has probably got to be one of my favorite castings this year. I like this. Up next we have the 2019 Ford Ranger Raptor. Interesting. So as you see, we have Ford Performance here on the side. We have Ford Built Tough. And as you can see, we have like zebra striping there on the side, which is pretty neat looking. Looks like we got some branches right there. Moving along to the front here, or as you can see, we have Hot Wheels right there. Moving along to the front here, look at that. Oh man, that is awesome. It's kind of the way the roads look here in Michigan. But that is really cool looking. What is that? It kind of looks like a, well, yeah. It kind of looks inappropriate, whatever it is. And as you can see, we got the same type of stuff up here. And moving along to the back, as you can see, we have no taillight tempos, and then we have no headlight tempos up here at all. So yeah, that's pretty neat looking. Up next, we have the Porsche 918 Spider in baby blue. I'm not a big fan of that color. And there might be a little project with this. I'm thinking maybe. But anyway, as you can see, there's no tempos here on the side. Up here we have tempos, but it looks like it got kind of chipped off in the factory, which drives me nuts when that happens. And then we got the Porsche insignia right down there on the bottom, center of the hood. We do have some really neat looking headlight tempos. And yeah, and then we have no headlight tempos. But then here is the engine and back. Now I believe that this is a hybrid, I think. Or it might be the electric Porsche. I don't remember. And now we have the 1996 Porsche Carrera. Oh man, is that cool or what? no tempo, no side tempos. Moving along to the front, we do have our Porsche insignia right there, and we do have some really cool looking headlight tempos. Moving along to the back, we have our famous Porsche taillights. And then we have the Carrera insignia right there above the taillights, I'm sorry. That's really neat looking. And last but not least, we have the 47 Chevy AD 3100 in the National Parks livery. How cool is this, guys? There we go. It's finally focused. As you can see, it says National Parks Forest Ranger. We have Park Patrol right there. And we have the US 1130. Moving along to the back here. As you can see, oh, that's a bummer. It doesn't say Chevy right there on the bed, on the tailgate. That would have been cool. So yeah, as you see, we have no taillight tempos. Got a, there's nothing in the pickup truck bed at all. That's just like a dark gray. Moving on to the front, there are no headlight tempos. And once again, they don't say Chevy on this because this is a government vehicle, and government vehicles, they tend to make them look plain. So, but yeah, I really like that bear on the side there. So, yeah. Yeah, so that is that is my video for this week. Stay tuned. I still have a big video coming up. And I'm sorry it's taking so long for me to get to it. It's just I got vacation coming up, and yeah. So, I'm hoping I can get to that this week. So, I hope all of you have a good week. This is Coaster Carl signing off, and keep it coasting, and I will see you guys in the next video. See you later.